Tiger, hold your breath. It's feeding, and the jungle is listening. Watch the tail tip flick, and that slow head lift. This cat is built for silent ambush, usually hunting alone. Every tiger's stripes are unique like fingerprints, so no two look the same up close. And that rough tongue? It's covered in backward-facing hooks that help scrape meat clean while the ears twitch for danger. A tiger's roar can carry for kilometers, but right now it's all quiet. Like and subscribe for more Wild Facts World, because that pause and stare means it heard something.